Hello, in this video I will show you how to make money online while playing games. So it's a very easy process. Now, you can easily go to the link given to you in the description box below and you will be redirected to this page over here, which is called free cash, as you can see right over here. Now, you can just simply create a free account over here by clicking on sign up. Then you can just simply sign up with your email address and password, or you can use your Google or Steam account as well. It's totally up to you. So just simply complete the sign up process. Now, once you're done signing up, just simply wait for a few seconds and then the website should start automatically. So let me show you how this website exactly works. So over here in the website, you will find a lot of things that is going on. So the first thing is you will find few games on the home screen over here and few different type of offers right over here. So right now, just simply don't click on anything. Firstly, just simply choose the offer section, click on this drop down box, and then you will be able to see a number of things that you can do over here to make money. Now, we are focusing on only online games. So just simply go to the games tab over here. Now, over here you will have a lot of games, and as you can see, there are in all different type of platforms. Like for example, this one is in Apple, which you can know by the symbol at the top right over here. This is an Android game. This is an Apple game. Apple, Android, Android, Apple. Pretty simple. Now, you will also notice that there is a certain number of amount under a game, as you can see right over here in these games. Now, the amount that is shown over here is guaranteed to be given to you once the task is completed. Now, the task to get the money is depending on the game that you play. So let's say, for example, this game over here. Now, open this game. Now, over here, you will find the task and the rewards that are linked with the task. So, in this particular game, you have to reach 100 meters, then you will get $0.4. Then when you will reach 500 meters, you will get approximately $0.10. Then when you will reach 1000, 6, for 2000, 8.25, and for 5000, you will get 26.52. Now, if you click on this more info option, you can just simply see your current status, category, and the provider of the game. Now, to start earning, all you have to do is click on earn right over here. Then you have to just simply scan this QR code from your Android device, and then it will redirect you to your Play Store where you have to download this application and then play the game. And just simply complete the milestones. Like for example, 100 meters, 500 meters, 1000 meters. Just simply complete the milestone. Now, the milestones will be different in all the games because the milestones are going to be things that you have to do inside that game. So it's going to be different. Like for example, in this Apple game over here, the reward is just simply $0.17 and the steps that you have to do is also very low. As you can see right over here, this is all you have to do to get 17 cents. And in this one, as you can see, you have to do a lot of steps to get $40. Now, there are a lot of games that will have a good amount of reward and less amount of steps as well. Like for example, in this game, you will just need to play this game and reach level 100. That's it. You don't have to do anything, just play the game. And you will be able to earn $21. Or maybe a different type of game, which has a small amount, as you can see. So in this game, particularly what you have to do is, you have to just simply fall for a number of meters, as you can see right over here. It's a very simple game. All you have to do is just simply fall, and then you will earn $5.34. Now, once you've started earning and you will have a balance on your account, it will be shown right over here in this balance section. So click on it, and then you will be able to see how you can cash out your balance. Now you can withdraw using all the options right over here, as you can see, from PayPal, Bitcoin, Google Play, Visa, Amazon, Nintendo, Blizzard, Minecraft, Steam. You will find all the options possible, as you can see right over here. And you can even get in-game currencies as well. Like for example, if you want a skin from any game, particularly from Valorant maybe, you can directly buy it from this website and then withdraw it directly in your game account. It's totally possible. And if you want the money, just simply choose the normal withdraw cash option where you can get PayPal, Bitcoin, and many more. So now what you have to do is just simply start playing and then earn money. There are many other things that you can do over here to earn money. As you can see, you can do sign-ups, you can just simply download applications, crypto, quizzes. There are a lot of ways. But in this video, we are just going to focus on games. So just simply play games and earn money. And don't forget to link your bank So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.